Hello everyone and welcome to Lisa B. Today we are doing a slightly different video. We're going to be doing a 10-minute guided body scan relaxation, perfect for any time of the day, especially if you're feeling a little bit stressed or before bedtime. It's also quite a nice time to do it as well. So I'm not going to speak at the end of the video, you'll just hear my little Tibetan singing bowl ring out once, and that will be finishing the 10-minute relaxation. So first of all, just make yourself comfortable. So if you do this seated, make sure you're seated with a long spine, shoulders relaxed, energy coming from the crown of the head. You can do this lying down, just getting comfortable however you feel more comfortable, just for these few minutes. So first of all, we're going to come to the breath. So breathing in through the nose, breathing out through the nose. And as you're breathing in through the nose, out through the nose, I just want you to notice the shoulders lifting, the chest lifting, and the belly rising on the inhale. As you exhale, notice the shoulders relaxing, the chest falling, and the belly deflating a little bit. So just notice what parts of the body are lifting as you inhale. Notice which parts of the body are relaxing as you exhale. So now if you feel comfortable to do so, you can close your eyes. You might like to leave a little bit of a gap just so you can see a tiny little bit of light coming through the eyes. So just concentrating on those nice deep diaphragmatic breaths. Notice how the body feels right now. And if your mind wanders, that is completely normal. Don't judge it, don't give yourself a hard time, just come back to the breath. And every time your mind wanders, just come back to the sound of my voice and your breathing. So just relaxing into this breathing. A few more deep breaths. So now I want you to bring your attention to your right big toe, your second toe, your third toe, your fourth toe, your fifth toe, the sole of the right foot, the top of the right foot, the ankle, moving up the right calf, the knee, the thigh, the back of the thigh, and then moving down to the left big toe, the second toe, the third toe, the fourth toe, the fifth toe, the left sole of the foot, the top of the foot, the left ankle, moving up to the left calf, the left knee, the thigh, and the back of the thigh. Bringing your attention to the right side of the pelvis, the right hip, the left side of the pelvis, the left hip, and moving up to the center of the stomach, moving up higher to where the lower ribs are, moving up to the chest, and then moving over to the right shoulder, the right arm, the right elbow, the right forearm, the right wrist, then to the right thumb, the first finger, the second finger, the third finger, the fourth finger, moving over to the left shoulder, the arm, the elbow, the forearm, to the left thumb, the first finger, the second finger, the third finger, and the fourth finger. Move into the right palm of the hand, the back of the hand, the left palm of the hand, the back of the hand. Moving up to the front of the neck and the throat. Coming to the back of the body, the right buttock, the left buttock. Bringing your attention to the lower back, the middle back, the upper back, the top of the shoulders, and the back of the neck. Moving to the base of the top of the spine, the back of the head, the crown of the head, and the forehead. Bringing your attention to your chin, your right cheek, your left cheek, your right nostril, your left nostril, your right eye, your left eye, your right eyebrow, your left eyebrow, and the whole of the forehead. Coming back to the breath. As you exhale, I want you to relax the right foot, then the left foot. Exhaling to relax the right calf muscle and the left calf muscle. Exhaling to relax the right knee and the left knee. Exhaling to relax the right thigh and the left thigh. Exhaling to relax the pelvis and the hips. Exhaling to relax the stomach. Exhaling to relax the chest. Exhaling to relax the right shoulder, the arm, the forearm, and the hand. The left shoulder, the arm, the forearm, and the hand. Exhaling to relax the lower back, the middle back, and the upper back. Exhaling to relax the front of the neck and the side of the neck and the back of the neck. Exhaling to relax the forehead and the cheeks and the eyes and the nose, the jaw, the mouth, and the tongue. Exhaling to relax the whole body. 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 Bringing your attention back to the breath. noticing how the body feels.